So this is just a quick video on how you can use your calculator to find the mean or median of table data. So here's our data and its frequency on our coin tosses, right? So our variables are 0, 1, 2, and 3 for heads and their frequency. So in your calculator, go to Stat and Edit. Notice in L1, I've put our X variables, 0, 1, 2, 3. And in L2, I've put our frequency. Now, if you go to Stat and you go over to Calculate, you can do one variable stats, press Enter, and our X values, right, our heads are in L1, and then the new thing you're going to do when you have table data is your frequency is not going to be empty anymore. Instead, your frequency is going to be L2. So I'm going to press second 2 here to get L2. And that's all you need to do. Go down to Calculate. And you can see here is my mean now of 1.433. And if you arrow down, it gives you the median. So that's just a quick way on how to do table data. Just remember when you go back to Stat and go to Calculate, one var stats, that frequency list will have L2. If you don't want table data anymore, you need to remember to come down here and to clear that.